Let's say that you have a list of some names or some columns that have some space in it and you have to correct for it. One way is that you just click on it and then click on it and click backspace, backspace, backspace until you correct it. Well, that is not the best way you can do it. There is a function Excel that you can use, and that is trim. So if you click equal trim and then select the cell that you're looking at, it is going to remove all of the spaces that are either before or after that name. And there we go. We have what we wanted to see. Now, let's say that we wanted to have exactly these things, but with a lowercase exact, not James with capital letter J. There's another function that you can use, and that is lower as lowercase. And if you select lower your field, as you can see, it will change everything to the lowercase. And then there is another function that is called upper for uppercase, where it will change everything for the uppercase values. There we go. As you can see, it changed every single letter in column C to uppercase. And there we go. But what if you wanted to only change the first letter as the capital and the remainder as the lowercase? There's another function called proper, and then you can select the column, and there we go. Then it will change the very first letter as the uppercase and the remaining letters and as the lowercase. There you go. You have learned about the upper, lower, and proper functions in Excel. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.